Hi folks, welcome to SLM Printing. Today we're going to show you the process of how to marry. So this is a design that we just printed off. So the shiny bit is the A paper, as you all know, and the B is the B paper, which has the adhesive on it. Make sure that you match it up, placing it nice and gently onto the heat press. Now the top of our heat press, you can see, is at 149, 150. That's how hot the heat press is. Underneath, the platen, which is that grey bit there, that is also roughly around about the same temperature. When you're placing the A and the B on, make sure you put a little piece of paper in and then put some finishing paper over the top. Then all you're going to do is push this down onto a medium pressure. As you can see, we had it set for 120 seconds. On this medium pressure, as you can see, that's our set at a medium. We use a 12 o'clock clock, and then round about, I don't know, 10 or 11, that's our medium pressure. Obviously, people will have different pressures, but make sure it's on medium. If you don't, what will happen is you will have the adhesive come through your design. If that happens, that's what's happening. As you can see, we're using an Oki 8432 and we're printing it off. So as this is counting down now, I've added some extra peeling techniques to show you how to do it. And what that means is basically just 3 different designs that we've married and peeled off straight hot. So it's that hot that you can need to wear gloves, or you don't need to wear gloves, depending on how it works for yourself. So when you're going to pull it apart now, pull on your left and pull on your right. You need to do it in one fluid motion. So as you can see, it's being pulled on the left, it's also being pulled on the right. It's not being pulled apart, as you need to pull it apart as hard as you can, but just a firm pressure. Make sure you're peeling throughout and make sure it's consistent. As it starts to peel around the top left-hand corner, you just want to keep that peel on, and then what will happen is, as I said, in the top left-hand corner, you're coming to the end of the design. When you come to the bottom right-hand corner, you want to be easing off the peel. And what will happen, it will peel off itself. That's why I've added extras, because it doesn't really show you on this first one. It will just pop off itself nice and gently, like so. So what's going to happen is you're going to see another one being peeled. So that is a matte paper. We've got a piece of paper in, which helps to split the paper up without trying to fiddle with gloves on. Again, peeling it across. This is again another design. The thicker the design, i.e. the more on the A3 or the A4, the more you're going to have to pull it. If it's just a light design and lots of writing, then it will come apart a lot easier. But either how much design is on there, the pressure and the pull is pull on the left, pull on the right. And as you get to the bottom right hand corner, it will pop off again. You don't see it so clear, but literally it's like 30% pull now, and it just pops off like so. Again, one more time with the last design. Piece of paper in there, which helps you split between the two. Pulling on the left, pulling on the right. So I've dropped down on this one. Notice the angle. You want to be peeling it, like I said, that platen, that aluminium bit is red hot. That's how hot you want it, as hot as the heat press. And as it comes to the bottom right hand corner again, pulling on the left, pulling on the right, ease off the pressure, nice and gently, and it will just peel itself off like so. Peel itself off there, peel itself off, and it just pops off. So this was the third design, and we're going to go shoot back to the first design because I added this extra bit in there. So there's the adhesive on the back again. It's all rasterized, and it's perfect. So going on to that last one I showed you, well, it was the first one. So if you look on the colour of her hair, there is no white in there. If you have any white inside her hair, it's because the pressure, i.e. the medium pressure, is too much. So what happens is the adhesive will come through them rasterization lines. So you know you've got it right with that medium pressure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.